get me wrong.
Who's ready for the new week? Cause I am. Weekends are my reset button. As a mom to young kids, it's the one time I can slow down, catch up on the chores I couldn't get to during the week and prepare our home for the days ahead. So let's go ahead and get started.
Tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should.
I have a genuinely curious question, guys. Do you like to refresh your home on a bi-weekly, monthly, or any other week basis? Because I'm a firm believer in doing what really works for you. Refreshing your home in any of the bases mentioned doesn't really matter, especially if you're used to cleaning as you go, guys. I always tell people sometimes I really do not clean my house every day or every week. It all depends, guys. But one secret I know that works all the time, like I've tested and trusted this habit for years and years and years and years, and it's all about like tackling chores, doing things as you go. So for instance, let's say you just finished eating and you want to drop the plates inside the sink and you just see maybe 2-3 dishes inside the sink. Just go ahead and quickly wash it out. That way it doesn't end up piling up, because when it piles up now, it becomes worrisome. Now it becomes too much for you to handle, you know. So that's a very like easy, quick tip that helps me a lot, especially with maintaining a clean home. I always said that when my home is clean, I can think clearly, I can function better, like I can excel in whatever it is I'm doing. But when my home is, you know, is unkept, when it's dirty, I can't think, like I'm just gonna get irritated, like oh my goodness, guys. Just let me know if you feel the same way. But as you guys can see, today we're starting off from the bathroom. We needed to give our bathroom some TLC, and as you guys can see, I started off from the mirror to the sink to the vanity. You know, I love to take out the time to clean my bathroom. Of course, guys, like I always say that one thing that I learned from my mom growing up was like cleaning the bathroom each time I use it. So basically, once I use the toilet, I just like use the brush, use my Clorox, use my toilet bowl cleaner, and just run through the bowl. That way, like when you finally decide to clean your bathroom, it's not going to take it maybe hours to do. It's just something like you clean, you know. But of course, it's always good to deep clean maybe once a month. But if just like the bathroom, every other place in your home, once you're used to cleaning, basically maybe I would say if you bring out just an hour every day, or let's say 30 minutes to just straighten some things out, you realize that you do not even need to like spend hours and hours and hours refreshing your home. So basically, I'm just done with the bathroom. Of course, you guys know I'm a sucker when it comes to a good smelling home. So I decided to add my Febreze over there and my hand soap, my hand lotion, and then we're going to go ahead and put on the towel. And the bathroom is clean and ready for the new week. And oh guys, for the bathroom, I also forgot to add this tip, guys. Please make sure you change your toilet brush like every month, guys. I cannot stress how important this is, guys. And toilet brushes don't actually cost. Like from Walmart, you can see a toilet brush for $3, $5, you know. It's just only the toilet brush, guys. Of course, with the container, it's always very, very important important to disinfect your container, you know, the brush container, the brush holder, you know, every time you use it. But for the brush itself, try as much as possible to change it by monthly, guys, because we cannot even start discussing like the kind of germs and bacteria and disease or whatever that gets stuck on the toilet brush, guys. So that is one tip I forgot to add in the toilet brush section. But anyways, guys, of course we're going to proceed to the kitchen and our countertop, our appliances, the stove, the microwave. They always need a constant cleaning. I would say the countertop it's non-negotiable for me. As like when we talk about places to clean every single day, the countertop is non-negotiable for me, guys, because the amount of time my kids spill like juice or crumbs or things on my countertops, like when they want to get juice from the fridge, it's always they put the cup on the countertop, and then when they pour, especially Ace, when he pours the juice inside his cup, best believe some of the juice must touch the countertop. And there is nothing I hate as walking up to my countertop and seeing like juice marks on it. It pisses me off a lot. So just making sure that you have your cleaner or your towel at hand at every given time is very, very important to make sure you're maintaining a clean and healthy kitchen, guys. So wiping down your countertop, your appliances is also one habit that I absolutely love, especially when it comes to refreshing your home, guys. And of course, we proceeded to the sink. I had few dishes in the sink, so I just decided to use my hand to wash it out. When I have a lot of, let's say I make food, you know, maybe I make dinner or lunch and we have a lot of dishes in the sink, I just love to feed those dishes inside my dishwasher. But if it's any dishes that I can easily wash out with my hand, I just go ahead, wash that out, because you guys know it takes a lot of water and energy to run your dishwasher. So if it's something that you can just like wash out in 2 to 5 minutes, I would rather, you know, advise to use your hand and wash that out. So that is basically what we did here. And then of course we're not going to leave our sink looking all messy, so we're going to go ahead and just quickly clean up the sink also.
For you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest.
Of course, if you're enjoying this video, please kindly hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you enjoy home content, if you enjoy lifestyle, if you enjoy interior decor. We do all that on this channel, guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And guys, this is not, I would say it's been over like a decade since I started using the sprayway glass cleaner, and I swear by this product, guys. When it comes to anything glass, anything mirror, anything like that you can see through, definitely use the sprayway cleaner, guys. You know how sometimes when you clean and there's residue, like when, especially the mirror, oh my goodness, this, like, it gets under my nerves when I clean my mirror and I can see like streaks and residue on my mirror. I don't like that at all. And that is one thing I absolutely love about my sprayway. It's just like a product I've used, tested and trusted, and every single time it's getting the job done for me. And it's so crazy how sometimes brands, you know, they start like maybe limiting the quality of their products, but the sprayway I started using in like when in 2018, 2019 is it's the same formula, the same product up to date. That is, you know, one of the absolute reasons I love using sprayway to like clean all my glass surfaces. So that is basically what I'm doing here. Of course, we're going to go ahead and hit our foyer, you know, the entryway mirror. We're going to go ahead and clean up our table. I have my pedestal table, and also I have this gorgeous like console table in my hallway. So we're just going to quickly go ahead and run that down. When you're refreshing for the week or for the month or every other week, depending on what works for you, don't forget to dust, because you guys, like, the amount of time the dust like settle on our furniture, you will not even believe it. So just using your towel to run over your furniture is also a great tip when you're resetting or refreshing your home. Of course, we're not going to forget the floor, guys. Whether you're vacuuming, mopping, steaming, I'm a sucker when it comes to steaming my floor, guys. I love to vacuum up and then steam it. And steaming my floor is, you know, usually done by my cleaner. I have a cleaner coming once every month to steam the floor, but then I maintain it by mopping, you know, making sure the floor is clean, especially if you have kids, guys. And of course, after cleaning, we are going to go ahead and relax, catch on, you know, some fresh air outside, and just, you know, wind down for the weekend, because you guys know the weekend is the perfect time to go ahead and wind down before the new week comes in. So once I'm done cleaning, I'm gonna spend some time outside. But yep, you guys, I believe that is all there is to this video, my loves. I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Until my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.